आसमां में सबकी निराली, पीली लाल हरी नीली और काली। आओ मिलकर हम सब बसंत मनाएं, द्वार पे अपने रंगीली रंगोली सजाएं। Awesome morning to all. Today's special assembly is being conducted on the festival of Vasant Panchmi. Vasant Panchmi, also called Saraswati Puja in honor of the goddess Saraswati, is a festival that marks the preparation for the arrival of spring. Saraswati symbolizes creative energy and is considered the goddess of knowledge, music, art, wisdom, and learning. Arrival of spring brings the blooming of flowers and maturing of crops. It is celebrated in various states of India in different ways. We can see the calmness and balance everywhere, and it is all about togetherness and harmony. May our lives shine and dazzle with the lively colors of Vasant, and Goddess Saraswati bless us all with knowledge and wisdom.
या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिर्देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा। अर्थात जो बर्फ, चंद्रमा और कुंद फूल के समान श्वेत हैं, जो शुभ्र वस्त्र अर्थात श्वेत वस्त्र धारण करती हैं, जिनके हाथ श्रेष्ठ वीणा से सुशोभित हैं, जो श्वेत कमल पर आसन ग्रहण करती हैं, ब्रह्मा, विष्णु, महेश आदि देव जिनकी सदैव स्तुति करते हैं। हे माँ सरस्वती भगवती, आप हमारी सारी जड़ता को हरें और हमें ज्ञान एवं बुद्धि प्रदान करें।
The thought of the day is the festival gives you a rainbow for the storm, a smile for every ear, a promise for every care, and an answer to every prayer.
The word of the day is blossom. It spells as BLOSSOM. Its meaning is a flower or a mass of flowers, especially on a tree or bush. It can be used in a sentence as the peach tree has an excellent blossom this year.
मैं दिव्यांशी कक्षा 7 से वसंत पंचमी के उपलक्ष्य पे कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। सबका हृदय खिलखिल जाए, मस्ती में सब गाए गीत मल्हार, नाचे गाए सब मन बहलाए, जब वसंत अपने रंग बिरंगे रंग दिखलाए, खिलकर फूल गुलाब यूं उछलाए, चारों ओर मंद मंद खुशबू फैलाए, प्रकृति भी नए नए रूप दिखाए, जब वसंत अपने रंग बिरंगे रंग दिखाए, सूरज की लाली सबको भाए, देख वसंत वृक्ष भी शाखा लहराए, खुला नीला आसमां सबके मन को हर्षाए, जब वसंत अपने रंग बिरंगे रंग दिखाए, नई उमंग लेकर नदियां भी बहती जाए, चारों ओर हरियाली ही हरियाली छाए, शीत ऋतु भी छूमंतर हो जाए, जब वसंत ऋतु अपने रंग बिरंगे रंग दिखलाए।
The festival of Vasant Panchami celebrates the agriculture field ripening with yellow flower of mustard crop. People wear yellow color clothes, eat yellow color sweet dishes, and display yellow flowers in home. In many parts of the country, it is considered as an auspicious day for kids to write their first word or to study some art field. Spring is considered to be the king of all seasons, and it is not only a symbol of prosperity but is considered extremely auspicious to start new work. As a tradition, students keep their books, pens, and even spectacles near Goddess Saraswati idol for her blessings. Kite festivals are organized in some part of India on this day. Bathing in sacred seas and river is also considered important.
Panchami marks the start of preparation for other major Hindu festival Holi. Cultural events, music and dance and bhajan programs are organized on the eve of Vasant Panchami. It is said that during the season of spring, people are filled with happiness due to good health and wealth. This time is said as the most joyful time of the year, and beauty of nature is at its peak. It reminds us of our connection to our Mother Earth. Food donation and clothing donation are a part of this festival. Contributions are made for the education of poor children. Hence, it is a festival associated with religious, seasonal and social significance among the people. So, I would like to conclude today's assembly with following lines. माँ सरस्वती का बसंत है त्योहार, आपके जीवन में सदा आए बहार। सरस्वती द्वार आपके विराजे हर पल, हर काम आपका हो जाए सफल। Thank you and have a blessed day ahead.
I promise that I will take precautions to stop the spread of coronavirus. I will always wear a mask and maintain 2-meter distance and wash my hands with soap regularly. Together, we can stop coronavirus.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय